If you look at this question, it's an assertion question, students. What is told in the problem? A function defined from the codomain set of real numbers onto the, or from the domain set of real numbers to the codomain set of real numbers. Function that is mapping real numbers onto the set of real numbers is a continuous function defined like this. F of x is equal to, I can write 1 divided by e to the power x plus 2 into 1 divided by e power x, correct or not? Which can also be written as f of x is equal to 1 divided by e power x plus 2 divided by e power x. Now we have to come to the conclusion. What is this nature is the question asked. See, now you look at the statement number 2 first. If you look at the statement 2, there is an inequality. So definitely there should be some inequality connecting, no, between the two numbers. So I can say between e power x and 2 divided by e power x, arithmetic mean is always greater than or equal to the geometric mean. This is how I introduce an inequality here. So e power x plus 2 divided by e power x divided by 2 should be greater than or equal to e power x into 2 divided by e power x to the power of half, that is square root of, right? Geometric mean. What is the arithmetic mean between two numbers? Between a and b, we have seen this. Arithmetic mean is equal to a plus b divided by 2, and geometric mean is equal to root of ab, which can also be written as ab to the power of half. Is it not? Ab to the power of half. So I can write e to the power x plus 2 divided by e power x, that is greater than or equal to, 2 into 2 to the power half can be written as root 2. Is it right? You see that this number is always a positive number, right? Exponential functions are always positive. So when you take the reciprocal, 1 by e to the power x plus 2 divided by e to the power x should be less than or equal to 2 root 2, but it should always be greater than 0. Answer cannot become what? Answer cannot become negative because this is always a positive quantity. Okay, so it lies between smallest value 0 and 2 root 2, biggest value. So I can say 0 less than 1 divided by this part is nothing but f of x. See, from equation number 1 you can clearly see this is f of x. 0 is less than f of x is less than or equal to 1 divided by, taking the reciprocal, right here reciprocal is 1 by 2 root 2. When you take the reciprocal, the sign of the inequality inverses. 3 greater than 2, example I am giving you, example. So take the reciprocal, 1 by 3 will be less than 1 by 2, correct? So 1 divided by 2 root 2. You can clearly see that this statement 2 is correct. Statement 2 is correct. Now your job f of x, now here put x is equal to 0, put x is equal to 0 for some real number, right? For some real number put x is equal to 0. So what is this value of f of 0 is equal to 1 divided by e to the power 0 plus 2 divided by e to the power 0, that is equal to 1 by 3. That sum 0 is nothing but c, I'll call. So f of c is also equal to 1 by 3. That is also correct. So what is the answer that we'll mark here? We'll mark the answer as option number B.